Oh. Bless you. 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 Egg challenge with Doze and Rudy. Ready, Doze? Oh. Oh my gosh. You're so gentle. He's not gonna break it. You passed the challenge, Doze. Are you saving it, Doze?
It's our birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bob. Happy birthday to you.
Fun fact about me is I actually won a jerk chicken competition and I've never cooked jerk chicken before that.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have a little kitty?
Good morning. Good morning. Come on, pups.
Tunyati poop 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 ba tu 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 poop ba tu 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 tu.
Americano.
Kasihku sampai di sini, kisah kita jangan tangisi keadaannya, bukan kena kita berbeza.
Kasih-Mu ya Rabbi, berkahi hidup ini dengan cinta-Mu ya Rabbi, damaikan mati.
Papa l'americano.
Emang lagi manja.
Hey, miss you. You trying to hang out? And that's on separation of anxiety. I swear. Please don't poop in the bin.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all.
Cooter, I love you.
americano. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian.
You want food? Food later, Billy. Okay? It's not time for food. Food. Later. Later. I know. I know you're mad. What else do you want? Okay. What else do you want? You want some catnip? Okay. Here's some catnip. Here you go. Catnip.
Go get him!
Was your biggest fan, I followed you until you loved me. Paparazzi, there would be no other suit.
Llama, 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 llama.
I've got nope. Leave the tripod alone. Leave. No. You are breaking the teapots. All right, so we. You want me to feed you like a baby? This is ridiculous. Here's some tea for you, madam. That's my hand. We don't bite my hand. That's good tea. Yes, I know. Would you like some more tea, ma'am? Here. Shot for you. And a shot for me. Nope. Stop. 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 This isn't.
Good morning, Rio. Good morning. Good morning, chicken. Say hi. Hi, baby. I'm recording you. Yeah?
Come on. Let's go for a little night ride. You love the night rides. That's right. Yeah, you do. Good boy. Got the basket on and everything. Good boy.